This week might look a little different due to Thanksgiving, so a little bit of work and a little bit of family. All right, so Sunday afternoon, we headed over to the farm. We haven't worked on a Sunday afternoon in quite some time, but we have a lot to get done before Thanksgiving. So you might be wondering what's going on here with the shiplap wall. Well, when we sprayed it, the overspray settled a bit, causing some flashing and color differences. So I'm repainting the whole shiplap wall. So Mike is in here trimming out the pocket door. How's it going?
Getting there.
Getting there. It's looking good. You're doing great. Not only was he able to get that pocket door trimmed out, but the rest of the closet and a couple of other places that needed trim as well. Just got this door put on and the doorknob. This closet is officially done because we are gonna purchase like industrial type shelving for this closet. So that'll be really great. And it actually turns out to be less expensive than trying to build it ourselves. So, done. Just need to go buy our shelving now from Home Depot.
So here is our Pacific. It's not been very nice. It's naughty cedar planking. Very, very naughty wood. It is beautiful and it is about to go on to our entertainment center area, back and forth. It is Pacific Coast. You should feel the sway of the boat.
When we first got the farm and started designing the house, this little room that we're standing in, the spare bedroom, was once a patio, if you remember back. Go back to week 1, check it out if you don't remember, but there was a window unit in this little inset here, and we knew we wanted to utilize the space, so Mike came up with this great idea to create this bookshelf. Now, I have decided to leave the wood raw because it is cedar, and if we change our minds later down the road, we can always paint this white to match the rest of the wood. But I just thought this would be a really cool design feature for this room. Well, here's the fun stuff happening this morning. We just cut this hole out for the plumbers, and more has to be done, obviously, because they can't get to that to move the fixture valve forward. So Mike's working on this before they get here. And because the plumbers are coming today, we needed to bring the bathtub inside. I am so super pumped about this. It is so beautiful. I can't wait for you to see it. Okie dokie, so we got the bathtub in here. I told Mike we should have just had it set in the closet because that looks kind of cool. But it's just sitting there until the guys get here to install it right there. Which, you guys, I'm so excited about this. It's bigger than what I remembered, which I'm loving. It's more of a soaker tub, or that is actually what it's called, but so pumped for this. Can't wait to use it. All right, so the plumbers are here, so I'm just gonna sneak in and get a little footage of them chipping away that cement to install the drain for the tub. Devin and Eric were here today and took care of us. They did a really great job getting this tub installation taken care of and fixing those other issues with the valves. Our electrician Robert is also here today, moving a few outlets around for us. I also decided today to go ahead and paint the inside of the front door. I could have done that way back whenever I painted the outside, but I wasn't certain on what paint I was going to use, but I went ahead and stuck with my same paint, the exterior jet black from Benjamin Moore. Okay, so they got the valve situation taken care of. Everything's functioning properly. We have water, and we are about to have hot water because they're about to hook up the tankless. Here's the front door all finished up. I will most likely have to do touch-ups because I was looking into the direct sunlight while painting, and I'm sure I missed some spots. But I really am loving the pop of black in this room. The plumbers also got the valve situation taken care of in the spare bath, so now then Mike's just going ahead and reattaching the sheetrock that he had to cut out, and he will have to patch that all up later, but we're just thankful that this is all taken care of now. All right, so I have waited for this moment for so long. Oh my wow, you guys. The bathtub is amazing. I could not be more pleased. It is so beautiful. And the fixtures there, you may see some sheetrock damage or sheetrock issues going on there. We'll tell you more about that later. We are so happy to have this all taken care of, all these plumbing issues out of the way, because now we are heading off to Texas to go spend time with our family for Thanksgiving. Okie dokie, let the Thanksgiving shenanigans begin. Here's my mom and I in the kitchen. I'm making the dressing that we will have over at Mike's family's house tomorrow. My little nephew Aiden wanted to help out, so I let him. He's such a cutie. But this is a family recipe that's been passed down for several generations on Mike's side of the family, and now I've learned how to make it, so I've been making it for the last few years. And then, of course, these Rhodes rolls are always so delicious, and Mike's favorite.
Good morning, good morning. It is actually Thanksgiving Day, so happy Thanksgiving from the Baskets.
We are headed over to Mike's mom's house to go have our traditional turkey dressing and all the fixins.
I'm gonna throw this out there, and Karen may shoot me because I didn't even ask her, but my mom has a recipe. Sorry, I'm driving. Has a recipe for dressing that is her grandmother's. She's from White Wickham, England.
Put your seatbelt on,
and
please.
I will put my seatbelt on while I'm talking to you in a British accent. But it is the best. And almost everyone that has ever eaten it said, "Oh, I don't like dressing." And I said, "Well, try this." And they try it, and they're like, "Oh my word." It is the best. So she can probably link it down below. So if you're a dressing person and you're going, I'm not so sure about that, but anyway.
Who makes it now, though?
That's Karen that makes it phenomenally, and it is uber good. So anyway, just thought we'd throw that out there, and we're gonna get to enjoy 3 solid days of eating, football, and family. Hope you get to enjoy the same thing.
Have a happy Thanksgiving Day.
Yeah.
As you can see, the mashed potatoes, the gravy, the dressing, the Brussels sprouts, the ham, the turkey, the rolls, all the yummy things. And of course, we can't forget the family photos. This is our first Thanksgiving without Mike's dad. We lost him back in January, and we're really blessed to still have his mom with us. Here we are on Friday, spending the day with my side of the family, playing games and eating and just having a great time together. Playing a game here called Fishbowl, or some may know it as Salad Bowl. For those of you that know our family personally, you will love seeing the changes and the additions. And then, of course, we're missing about a dozen here this year. But all in all, it was a super great Thanksgiving, and we always enjoy and cherish the moments and memories that we have together.
Hey guys, it's the end of week 41, and we are in Abilene, Texas, spending time with family. We have spent all day Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday doing absolutely nothing but hanging out with family and friends and eating turkey and playing pool and playing games and just absolutely relaxing. It's been a really wonderful time.
So Monday we have the Granite guys coming, and that's really cool because they're going to be doing our templates, and then installation is a little ways down the road, but next week we should be moving in. If all goes well, I don't see why we can't move in. We have hot water, we have showers, we have a bathtub now. We
just don't have a closet to put stuff in.
Yeah, we still have to build those kinds of things out, but we can live out of our refrigerator and microwave while we're there, and it'll all be good. So next week should be rocking and rolling.
Well, and we also, we've got to customize where the refrigerators go in that cabinet. We've got to change some things up, and that's all got to be done before the Granite guys get there Monday. So we'll probably be doing that
on Sunday
afternoon,
yeah.
Sunday night, and getting all of those things taken care of. And that's just, again, I say it over and over, and you guys should know what I'm about to say. You ready for that?
Little by little.
We're closer than we've ever been. It's just one of those exciting moments where we know we are right on the verge of having everything done, and it's pretty cool. So thankful for you guys as always. Hope you had an incredible Thanksgiving and spent time with family and friends and had the opportunity to hug somebody that you love. It's always a good thing.
We'll see you guys next week.
All right, take care.
As always, we truly appreciate you watching, and if you haven't yet checked out our Flipping the Farm playlist, please do so. Things have definitely changed around here. Thanks again for watching.